In the world of education, we often have to investigate and research situations to truly have an understanding for what has taken place. It is important that we explore how students learn. Educators must use research, such as experimental design research, to support their reasoning behind why or how they are teaching students. We must be able to understand our students' learning, and experimental research can help us do just that. The experimental design research directly connects to the field of education in many different ways. This research design is often used in education to determine a cause and effect relationship between variables. There are many studies that have been done in education with experimental design research. Studies such as on behavior, goal setting, violence in schools, um, effects of technology on learning, professional development in regards to student learning, and abundance of others. More specifically, for me personally, our school district in Cherokee County uses positive behavior interventions and support, better known as PBIS, and this is a research-based program. Experimental research is used to back the data in this program, and currently we are using PBIS in my school, and we do a lot of different cause and effect situations with PBIS. So there are many connections to education with the experimental design research.